Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care and you're on my lawn. Now, I've not done anything to this lawn and I'm not lying to you. What I'm speaking is the absolute truth and it's off the cuff. If you have a look, all I did was scarify this lawn about 6 weeks ago when I did that little short saying how rubbish the scarifying bags were. If you come down here on the canopy, I just, I can't believe it. I've not put new feeds or nothing. I've got some regeneration of some new shoots, thin shoots, and I've done nothing. And it's a dog lawn. I've got two little mini dash hounds, gin and tonic, loving the bits. So yeah, I'll prove that I've scarified it, because if you come up to this end, you can see the scarifying lines in the soil along here, and I've got no seed up here. This always dies out. So I've got a method for this area. I'm gonna put my seed in, and I'm going to get some grass clippings out of the bin, and I'm going to cover the grass seed with the grass clippings, because up in the tree here I've got cooing pigeons and I've never seen them so fat. So I'm going to see if I can disguise the seed under the grass clippings, and I'm going to flick my seed out, and I'm going to use, I don't care, I'm going to try it. Here's my grass, summer slow release, because I need to get a feed on. But I'm going to go a little bit less because I'm putting new seeds out. And then, so I've got my feed, I've got my seed, I've got my watering tractor, and I'm just going to give it a go. And then what I'll be doing, I've got, I use link tap watering timer. Oh God, my voice. I've got link tap watering timer. So the tractor will go out about 4 o'clock in the morning, climb down the hose, follow the hose line, and that'll be it. It'll just get that one water, which is heavy, but it get that every morning. But I'm going to send the tractor out in a minute just to water this in, push the seeds in. Hopefully the pigeons don't see it, and job's a good one. So we're going to start a timer on this. How quick can you do it? So I need to get my granules in, and I'm going to, how quick can you do a little overseed on a lawn? So, granules in, bosh. Put a bit more in. Always put more in than you need, so they don't sit back. So it's total overkill. And then I'll tip them back in the bucket. So, the slowest bit of this is going to be seeding this area, hand seeding, and flicking my grass clippings that I've just mowed off the lawn over the top. And we'll see in 2 or 3 weeks time if it works. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be running my ego mower over the top on about number 4 with the mulching blade on. So I'm going to be mowing over seeds, because the wife won't allow it to grow long. So I've done a test, it doesn't actually suck the seeds up. So number 5 realistically doesn't suck the seeds, but we'll give it a go. She wants that number 4, so it'll be what it'll be. If we have one last look across the canopy, we see I'm not in bad shape. I've done 0 to this lawn, and I've not put any water on this lawn. I can't believe it, and it's a ryegrass lawn. Who would have thought that it would come back? Amazing, right? So I'm going to start up this end, and then we get the timer on. Okay, are we rolling? Get the clock up, on your marks, get set, go. Fall short there, down the line. Down this line. Come on, Mike, how quick can you do it? Shut it off. Granul's done. Gonna put my seed in now. You can stay there if you want. But so they're done. Into my bucket. Opening the hopper full. Option seeds economy. About a third of the hopper. Oh shit, a little crash. Come on, Mike. Chuck a bit of seed around the wife's seat, keep her happy. Down the line. Bit a bit of dog wheat. No, I'm going to go down the line. I need a little bit more seed. Do 2 lines down the middle. Now, I can hear them pigeons. Right, so if you come down here and have a look. Now, the pigeons are going to come down for this, so I'm just going to disguise it with my grass clippings. Never done this before, but I'll keep banging the microphone. Look, seed's gone. They can't see them, can they? You can't see them, and you didn't see me do it, right? So. Now, if you wanted to, you could just rake those clippings out, but we won't be mowing down this end because there's not a lot of mowing to be had, is there? No. Let's get that gentle. Look at that, you'd never know there was grass seed there. Will this beat the pigeons? Who knows? Yes, I'm on a timer. as the editor has just told me, but I did say this would be the longest bit. What did that take? It's under 5 minutes, wasn't it? Yeah, so there's no great drama putting a bit of ryegrass out, is there? I bet you this would be quicker than waiting for that bent fescue to creep in, right? God. Couple more handfuls and then we stop the clock. Bosh on that over there. Oh, there's a bit over here that's exposed. So I'm only doing this on the exposed areas. Just so those flying rats will give it a chance, maybe, huh? Look at that. Can you see? It was bare before. Now there's seed under there. That's it. Stop the clock. Bosh. Right. So that's it. The watering tractor's out, as you can see. Look, it's doing everything. Right, it's going everywhere. I haven't set that up very well. I'll reduce the pressure so it's not going so far. So that's it. That is the lawn overseeded. Don't actually know now the time until it's edited, but if you look down the end there, you'd never know that was a bare patch, would you? So I will show you the results, because there is power in here. Like I say, I use this as a test ground for the customers, so I don't make mistakes on their lawns. I make them here. So I've done nothing to this, I promise to you. You know, I'm talking to you, I promise you, I've done nothing. I burnt it with nitrogen last year, and all this was absolutely destroyed. Show you a little clip of that right now. So yeah, I totally destroyed it. Let's get a drink on. That'll go back out at 4 o'clock in the morning. I will reduce the pressure so we're not going all over the sides and up the fence. But yeah, happy days. I'll show you the lawn in about 3 weeks' time, maybe 2 weeks. But I'm going to be mowing over the seeds because I don't care. I'm going to be mulching and leave them in, because this is heavy watering and it's first one in about 6 or 5 months. So yeah, it needs it. So we'll see you soon back here on my lawn. Clay lawn disaster it was. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, costs nothing and we need it. See you soon.